it's snowing horizontally. It is so windy.
My name is Allison and I like to vlog, okay? So just hear me out. It's time to go camping again. Okay.
Morning, Tea Swizzle.
Morning.
How'd you sleep?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, what?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
It's good.
It's good. Hey.
Elena, how'd you sleep? Hey, baby?
Good.
Are you ready to and excited to go on a road trip?
I'm so excited. I just can't fight it. Woohoo!
What the? Tyler's pumped.
No, I'm back in bed now, going to sleep.
Morning.
Welcome back to another Make Adventure Possible video.
How's everybody doing today?
Sorry, it's been quite a while since we last released one.
We are back on the road.
There's been a lot that's been going on. Quite a lot. I don't even know where to begin, honestly. Well, you all remember the house tour that we had. So, we ended up moving out of that house. We ended up staying in, you guys remember Kevin? Kevin was in there, he was our hunting guide. So we ended up moving all of our stuff into his shop area that he has for a bit. Dylan and I both got jobs. And now we're actually on the move again to Alberta. So this is the next leg. We're actually living out of the truck camper again, which is awesome. Oh, and we also acquired a new little vehicle. So we have a convoy right now.
Here's the convoy. There we go.
We're going to be cruising through Jasper, possibly stopping in Edson. Yeah, so today's the next leg of our journey. Stick with us and see how things go.
So sorry that we didn't have a video out for a while. You know, we had a lot of things going on, a lot of things that we were working out, and that's life. Life happens, you know what I mean? Nothing's all picture perfect, nothing's all pretty. You know, sometimes you gotta get down to the nitty gritty, and sometimes things just happen and you gotta deal with them as they come along. And that's what we're doing. So that's why we didn't have a video out for so long, but we're gonna have one now. We're turning off to a little bit of rest area, so we'll check in soon. All right, guys, take care.
First stop on the road. Dill's making us lunch.
On today's episode of Cooking with MAP, let's see what we're having. Rice. Oh wait, there's more. Pork chops. And some sort of vegetable from in here. Probably cucumbers and tomatoes. Like a salad.
Whoa. Good morning. It's snowing. Hey, Rock. Morning, handsome.
Morning.
Morning, Aina. Morning, princess. Wow. Hey, any single girls out there, hit Tyler up. If you like hiking, if you like Vikings, if you like swords, if you like working out.
Yeah. Hit me up, single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Now put your hands up, 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 up.
In the comment section.
Yeah.
Any other single ladies?
What? There's Tyler. He's brushing the solar panels off.
Yeah.
Locking it up. Ready to go. Tyler's supposed to do the silly salmon in the river. We're gonna pass today. Okay, let's go, Lena. We're going to Jasper. Woo! Snowy!
Hi. I just ate popcorn and we
Where are we?
we are in Jasper. There's Rocky. Hey, Dad.
We're in Jasper right now, and this place is beautiful. Oh, if you've never driven through Jasper, Alberta, then you definitely gotta do it. You know, right through the mountains, beautiful lakes everywhere. It's just gorgeous.
2 hours later.
Holy cow! It is snowing so much. I'm getting soaked. Tyler's hiding in his car because we were charging our phones because we didn't have power because we have solar and it's snowing. Come outside, Dewey! This is the biggest snow I've ever seen in my life. Hey?
That's on me.
Look at it! This is crazy! This is wild. There's a winter storm. And we're definitely in it. Oh. I've seriously never seen flakes this big in my life. This is so cool. Except for the part that we get stuck. That's not cool. I'm getting so wet and cold, so I'm gonna go inside. Oh. Ooh, something smells good. Dill must be cooking. Guys, it's like the freaking North Pole. This is crazy. I still can't get over this, and I love the snow. We were just living in a place where it snowed like almost 20 inches. But this snow is just so wild. Oh, it's like heaven. I love it. Let's go see what's going on. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Are you cooking?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna come in.
What's the temperature outside?
Oh, like 2 or 1. Ooh, my phone's all foggy now, probably.
No, it's 30 in here. Making some fried rice.
Yeah. Awesome. We got the wood stove going. It is so nice and warm in here. Oh,
Almost too warm.
yeah, almost too warm. Love it.
I got the window wide open. The vents
Yeah.
are open. Oh, it's snowing inside though.
Is it snowing inside?
Yeah, there's a bunch of snow on the screen.
Oops. This is so crazy.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Were you watching a movie?
Yeah, I was.
And then we got hungry, so I said I'm gonna make lunch for everybody.
Yeah.
Mom,
I'm hungry too.
Look at this.
Dewey's coconuts.
Dewey's coconuts. Get your coconuts
Yeah,
here.
get your coconuts here with Dewey's coconuts. Limited time only.
Howdy, folks.
Hi, I'm eating some lunch.
Yeah, we're just enjoying this snowstorm from the nice warm camper inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's yummy.
Shrimp fried rice.
Yeah.
Shrimp fried rice?
I mean,
Chicken fried rice.
right?
It's like egg foo young.
It's chicken fried rice.
Extra spicy.
Chicken fried rice is so yummy.
Yeah.
I like egg or chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried ice.
It's snowing like crazy out there, folks. Like, really.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see.
I've already just about 10 videos.
Holy.
Walking in a winter
She's
wonderland.
snowing sideways. Over.
We're in the North Pole.
We are definitely in the North Pole.
Mm-hmm. Biggest snow I ever saw.
Holy smokes, it's white out. Can't even see the sign down the road.
Mm-hmm. Good thing you cut wood for the fire before the snow happened.
Yeah, we cut our wood. We even cut a little stockpile for the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little bit in there.
Yeah.
I got a little bit in there.
How many did you cut up?
4, maybe 5 logs.
Sweet.
I put in there, so
That's about enough to fill underneath you there.
yeah.
Well,
It's
look
good.
at my little puppy.
Let's see.
You're gonna do a videotape
Wood
of
stockpile. And another mess. But it's working.
Well,
So,
Do a videotape of Rocky.
not everything can be perfect.
Mr. Rocky is just loving the snowstorm.
Anyways, it's snowing horizontally. It's so windy. We're inside the rest area. It's snowing sideways. That was so hard to get inside this building. That snow is crazy. This is what happens when you're snowed in.
Yeah, we play cars.
With Elena's toys.
Bang! Oh shit. We like to play cars.
Yeah, that's right. It got ups. Holy crow, look. The windows are frosted. We're frosted in, boys.
I'm so cold.
I'm not cold. It's like 30 degrees in here.
But
Yeah, look at.
we are making
What's in the
dinner.
Sushi bowls, baby.
Sushi bowls. Heck yeah. Yeah, it's 25 degrees and she's freezing, son. Yeah, look at this. Look.
Minus 24 outside.
Minus 24.
That's some frost.
Winter
Minus what?
storm. Minus 24.
Minus 24
Celsius.
Yeah.
Celsius.
Minus 24 is what? Minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right.
And by
See,
the way,
look.
I'm not freezing.
Oh,
She doesn't
truck
get
camper
cold until
living,
it's
bud. Minus 27. That's what it is. With frost on the windows. It's like a skating rink. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Living it up.
But yeah. Enjoying ourselves. Having a grand old time. I think half my toes are frozen for some reason.
I got a heater by my feet. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm a little bit cold on my feet.
But yeah. Making lovely dinner. And, well, hopefully tomorrow is going to be a better day.
Yeah,
Yeah, we got snowed in here.
Yeah, snowed in.
The roads are way too icy and everybody was being urged to not drive and to stay home until they get the roads under control, so
Mm-hmm.
yeehaw.
And that wind is deadly.
Sorry for talking to the knife instead of the camera.
The knife.
The knife, right? I don't want to
Yeah, but
cut my
you're
finger
doing
off.
something. You don't want to
I
chop
don't
your
wanna cut my
finger off.
finger off.
Then there's there's blood spurting everywhere, like it's out in the movies. Like,
Yeah.
I should get the ketchup. And ah, I've been hit. Ah.
I'm hit.
Oh yeah.
This is beautiful. I love it. The really nice person that cleans the bathrooms here said that we're allowed to park close to the building so that we can plug in and charge our batteries, because in a snowstorm, solar doesn't work the greatest.
We found that out.
I've been kind of dragging my feet on putting a way of charging from the truck, so here we are.
We pay the consequence. We pay the price.
Sometimes it's not all glorious. Sometimes
Slice my finger on camera.
it's... Sometimes you run into problems.
Yep. Just like anywhere.
But we still got lights. The batteries are working. Nighttime.
Nighttime!
What you guys eating?
Food.
Tuna.
Tyler's almost done.
You get poke! Just kidding, not
You get poke inspired.
It's like a deconstructed Pokeball.
Look at mine. Mine's beautiful.
Or the
Tuna,
heart.
sesame seeds, Korean barbecue sauce, soy sauce,
And a head of Elena.
cucumbers, carrots, rice, spinach, and rice vinegar.
Alright. Well, check-ins later. See ya! And Anna's in trouble.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video. Hit that like button and subscribe and make sure and make it possible no matter where you're. Sailor folks.